Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting XML file to TSV format. You can see on my computer I have a state XML file. I can double click to open it into Xml Viewer. It's a free app, it's showing what is inside a XML file, and you can see I have information about state name, state code, state regions, subregion. And I will be, also I can export into different format if I want to, but this is like table representation of this XML. If I open it into Internet Explorer, it will show me that this is XML with tags inside and all data wrapped into tags. So I will be using this file to convert it into TSV, and to do it I will use app from my website. To download app, I will click on search and type XML to TSV and click on this page. Click on download to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive, double click on inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select our file. I'll click to select input file button, navigate to my states XML, this one, click on open, click on next step. Here I can select which columns I want to convert. I cannot convert all columns. Click on next. And the final step I will click run and it's asking me for name and location of the file. Let's name it states from XML, for example. Click save. And file has been saved. Let's go and see file. Now I have a Tsv Viewer. It's similar app. It's showing what is inside Tsv file. You can see it's all, we have got all data converted here, or I can open it with Notepad just to show you what is inside. Inside is a tabulated data file with first row being column names and all data in it. So yeah, basically that's it. We have converted our XML to TSV. I'll be recording more videos on this format, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.